Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making shepherd's pie. So of course we're going to be starting off with about 2 pounds of ground beef. And I like to season my ground beef before and after it's cooked just to add lots of flavor. You can season it how you like it. I'm just using a little bit of garlic and onion powder, my Flavor God's Italian zest, my Tony's Creole seasoning, and a little bit of my McCormick's garlic and herb seasoning. So now that our beef is cooked, we are not going to drain that fat off. We're going to use that fat to make our gravy. And I'm just taking about a tablespoon or two of my cornstarch and I'm mixing it with my chicken stock. And you can see that I'm pouring it in, and that's what's going to make our gravy. It's going to thicken up. And now I'm just gonna throw in about 2 teaspoons of garlic and my Trinity mix. I'm also gonna take about 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons of my tomato paste just to give it more flavor. And of course, you would want to taste it and adjust the seasonings.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So once you get everything mixed in and it's all cooked down, you can add whatever frozen veggies you want to, or they can be canned veggies. I use canned veggies because that's what I had on hand. So you can just use whatever you have in your cabinet. That's completely fine. And you can see my little spoon going in to taste it just to see if I need to adjust the seasonings, and I need a little bit more of my Tony's. So make sure you taste and adjust the seasoning throughout this whole process. So now on to our potatoes. I just, of course, boiled about 4 or 5 potatoes. My potatoes were kind of small, so if your potatoes are small like mine, I will actually do about 6 to 8 of them because I actually did not have a lot of potatoes and I kind of ran out. So if you use small potatoes, use about 6 to 8 of them. And of course, you can make your mashed potatoes how you like them. I'm just adding a little bit of seasoning, some butter, and some sour cream. Now it's time to put everything together. I am going to layer the bottom with frozen buttermilk biscuits. This part is optional. You don't have to use biscuits, but I will say the biscuits give it tons of flavor and it's so good.
again. It's a rich thing.
So after you layer your biscuits, you can go in with your hamburger meat. Now you can go in with your potatoes. I actually ran out of potatoes, so always make extra. I actually made all the potatoes that was in my cabinet, and I wasn't going back to the store, so I just had to work with what I had, okay? And you're going to top everything with some cheese. I'm using extra sharp cheddar, but of course you can use whatever cheese you like. And I'm going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes or just until your biscuits are done. And I also sprinkled a little paprika on top just to give it a little color. And this is the final look of my shepherd's pie. I topped it with some green onion and some chives. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try it or if you've tried it and you like it. It's always nice to have some feedback. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.